What's up, guys? Got ND filter on there. I don't know what it looks like because I'm not connected to my phone right now, but if y'all see me, today I am gonna change my oil, do some more body work. There is a few adhesive that needs to be sanded down. It's still rough. You guys can hear that. I'm going to 10W30 synthetic, and then I'm gonna use the TX7 high mileage engine treatment with that. So I need to put one of these and then 3 quarts of this. Right now the car is propped up. Fog lights are still in there. I just gave the car a bit of a wash, so it cleans out some minor debris. High pressure washer did some good, taking off the adhesive off of the door handles. I'm gonna have to do some detail sanding on here. Yeah, adhesive comes off easily. That's fine. I need to work on this. As you can see, there's a crease right here that needs to be sanded down here. This part right here needs to be sanded down even further. This is still good. I'll do this next week right here. And then maybe we'll get to test fit the wheels later on. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and change out the oil, take out the old oil, put the synthetic in. Probably kind of wash the engine bay a little bit because it's kind of dirty under there, and we'll go from there. Okay, let's do it. Be honest, that was an experiment. Okay, so I'm done with the oil change. I'll drive it later. Now what I want to do is test fit the new rim setup and see how far that sticks out. Right now I have the stock Subaru wheels. I forgot which version is this. With 35 millimeter spacers. You can see whatever. So I need to take the spacers off and the wheel off, and then mount the other rim and see if it fits, or it will fit, just to see how it fit. Okay, let's do that. Whoop. Okay, so Jake just got here like 15 minutes ago, helping me sand the quarter panel. Ooh, movie light. Zach is taping up the tail lights, and Jake said he'll gonna try to get the quarter panel done today. But it just needs sanding, that's all. I mean, everything's straightened out. The bumper's pretty much straight.
Well, I'm gonna re-level all these dips and shit.
Like flat?
Yeah, I'm gonna flatten everything out. Like, see right here how it dips up?
Yeah. Well, that's okay, so damn, that looks nice. Just the light and everything. Okay, so Jake basically bundled the top and bottom. That's the second layer, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
And
Technically the third if you count yours in.
okay, well, the third layer, fourth layer, whatever layers, multiple layers, and we're just waiting for it to dry. I think this is the only side we're gonna get done pretty much tonight. And I took the lip off. You guys can't see it because it's in the dark and everything, but it is whatever. You guys will see it when it's done. I'll sand the bumper and get that prep for wrapping everything. I think next week I should be able to, well, at least after the meet on that Sunday, I should be able to primer the whole car, get it ready for primer, and then get it ready for wrap. As for the wrap itself, I've got the base design already done. All it needs is a character on top of it. Still trying to figure out what character to put on there. But yeah.
Big boobies.
One.